But Kazuya, a phenomenal lead run, makes some noise, Irwindale.
Yeah, the ones that hate me the most look just like me. You tell me what that means. Make a slick comment and see what that brings. I seen it go down, we can reenact things. Extreme like BMXing. These boys in they PMSing. People in the city see the movement occurring and say, my God, I wanna be in that scene. Damn right you wanna be in this scene. She had the video trying to be in this scene. Used to fantasize about being this scene. Bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in the house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. 5 white boys, but they not in sync. What y'all think? Everything that you say about me. My dogs like to play Madden in 2K, but one thing they don't do is play about me. My homeboy Tyler, he playing South Beach. He told me this summer he gon' fix my jumper. I told Boy Wonder that we might got a thumper. I've been trying to pop, now I'm on like Shumper.
Hi guys, it's Kazuya here. This is House of Drifting. This is my Nissan 180SX 1993. Both are imported from Japan. So this car is Nissan 1993 S13 series. The both car has SR20. This one is mostly stock SR20. This 180 has SR20 but not basic. The motor for SR22G made by Tomei, complete motor. I love S15, is the best for me. But so I just moved here 2019 with this car. So I need to get the car over 25 years old because we can't import unless 25 years old car in California. That's why I wanted to choose S15, but I have no choice. I got 180. Big difference from Formula Drift Pro car. This car is just fun car. I think I didn't know which is better. So I want to communicate local drifters with this car. I think first experience was I was 8 years old. Yeah, my father's friend was a drifter, so I ride around with my father's friend. That was a little bit scary, but so much impressive for me. I was so excited. So I decided to start drifting. I started to compete 2014 professional drifting series. I think first year was D1 Street Legal. I competed, Gaku Dori. Gaku Dori is only student drifting competition. So Gaku is student in English. Dori is drifting. So I got twice first place in the Gaku Dori, 2011 and 2012. Drifting was born in Toge, mountain road. So I respect grassroots drifting style, also competition drifting style.
No, they not. Word to JT, no, they not. Word to JT, no, they not. No, they not. No, they not.